Welcome guys, so today I am with BLACKVIEW A90 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So at the first, when we open the camera, we are under picture mode and you can find here a few options. The first one, when you click and hold the shutter, you will take the series of the photo. As you can see, there was even the notification that device is saving 20 pictures. Another tip will be about the volume buttons. So we can use them to take photos. You can press volume up or volume down. When you click and hold the volume up or volume down, you will focus, as you can see. Let's make it one more time. As you can see, the phone is focusing on objects in front of us with this yellow circle. Another tip will be on the screen adjustment. So you have to tap on the screen and then you can move this sun icon on the right or the left to decrease or increase the brightness level. When you click on the zoom, you can go between 1x or 2x, and you can also go for 4x by pinching screen like that. So that's also the maximum value of the zoom in this smartphone. Another tip will be about the timer that you can find right here. As you can see, we can set 3, 5 or 10 seconds. When we pick 3 seconds and click on the shutter, after this time this photo will be taken. Okay, and right now I guess we can simply go for another option that we will find in the settings. As you can see right now, we are able to adjust the series of the photo between 10 or 20 pictures, but what is the most important in this taking picture, it's the grid lines. As you can see, when we turn them on, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. So if you want to get this old cell phone in the middle, you can make it very simple. And when you go for the more mode, you can find, for example, the monochromatic mode, only the black and the white. Okay, so that's all for the BLACKVIEW A90. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.